Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can deposit TON in TONkeeper. So the first step you need to do is to open any exchange. So I'm going to open Bybit. So once you open this, you simply need to click on assets and click on withdraw. So once you are here, you need to search for the TON. Okay, and here you need to add the address. So for that you need to go back, and I'm going to open TONkeeper here. Okay, and once you open TONkeeper, so wait for few seconds here until it get open. Click on receive, and you need to copy this. Then you need to go back and open Bybit, and you need to add address here like this. Select your network. Okay, so I'm going to select TON. So it is optional, leave it. Here you need to add the amount. So I'm going to add 0.2 for example. Okay, and then you need to click on withdraw. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.